Hi, I'm Sandy.
And I'm Greg.
And we've decided to travel around New Zealand in a caravan.
Living life outside the box.
Yes. And then what do we say after that?
We've decided to make videos so that we can share some of our adventures around this beautiful country with you. Thanks for watching.
Hope you like it. And just looks so cool. Oops, that was lucky. I spit on my bloody phone. What I was trying to do is just show. Oh, this is so awesome. Doing a spot of kayaking. Oh my god, look at that water. It is so flat. It is absolutely awesome. There's a jetty.
So, here's Sandy and I. We're off on a walk to the top of the hill.
The Mofo Hill.
The Mofo Hill. It is the Mofo Hill. You can see we're starting off with a huge amount of pace. And rest assured that we get slower and slower as we go on. Here we are. This is the forest part of our walk. Very nice. Holly dog, of course, is very fast at this time of the walk. As you can tell, I'm already half rooted. What do you reckon, Sans?
Yeah. Not too bad so far. Oh, sorry.
Oh no.
Niagara Falls has come up.
I'm not sure this is the creek that Sandy fell in, but it's one of these ones. This one looks a lot bigger than when we last were here. Right, so it's obviously been a lot of rain down here, and this is normally something you walk across with one step, but yeah, not anymore. Successful crossing. I didn't get wet, that's good. So here we are walking along the track, and oh, in Psycho Bay. Can't actually see our bats through this little gap. All the trees are grown, but shows you how high we are.
Here somewhere.
Yeah, it is. And we've got quite a bit to go. Anyway, and here we are at the top. We met the owner the other day, and he said they're going to put it back into natural bush, not more logs, so that's good. Selfie at the top as per normal. Just beautiful forest up here. Great scenery, and look, even a heart-shaped mushroom. After about a week, of course, we woke up and here's this foggy, the whole bay's fogged out. But we sat on the jetty, took about an hour, and boom, back to what we used to. Lovely. Righto, off again, Sandy. Where are we off to this time?
We'll walk round the water.
Nice.
At low tide.
Yeah.
I'm hoping it's low tide, otherwise we're going to get very wet.
Yeah, that's right. Gumboots, jackets. It's not a particularly nice day. Yeah, even Holly's got a jacket on. Holly dog, selfie, got a selfie. Holly dog jacket. Nice. Right, so here we are, underneath the jetty. There's the boat. There's the bay. We're going for a bit of a walk along, see what we can see. Yeah, so not a nice day today, and yeah, we're going to, we can't get round past the jetty because past the neighbour's jetty because the tide's too low. And it doesn't look like we can get round this way very far either, because there's some trees down. So our walk along the beach idea might be a bit munted.